Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to get data from Bloomberg Easy Guide. Open your Bloomberg terminal and sign in, then confirm entitlement for API access and install the Bloomberg API libraries. Choose the right method for your task: terminal export, desktop API, or server API. Map the Bloomberg field mnemonics to your schema, test a small sample, and validate timestamps and time zones before running a bulk extraction. Use the Excel add-in for quick access to quotes and historical series with familiar spreadsheets. Install the add-in from the Bloomberg terminal, then use Bloomberg formulas like BDH and BDP to fetch historical and point-in-time data. Keep queries small for testing and cache common requests in named ranges. Check that your data uses the correct security identifiers and time zone adjustments so later analysis matches market timestamps precisely. If this guide is helping, please subscribe and like so I can make more clear tutorials. Quick recommendation: Bento Box make meal prep easy with leak-proof containers that keep your desk clean during long Bloomberg exports, perfect for data sessions and snacks. I found they save time and prevent spills when you juggle terminals and coffee. Check the description for the product link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. For programmatic access, set up the Bloomberg API and authenticate with your credentials or trusted services. Use reference data request for static fields, historical data request for time series, and market data request for streaming quotes. Implement retries, backoff, and connection health checks to avoid dropped data. Log raw responses and convert Bloomberg field mnemonics to your application names so downstream code remains maintainable and auditable.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.